Hi there. I want to talk to you about something that could make a big difference in your retirement, and it is the Maximize Your Social Security Bundle. Let's face it, dealing with Social Security and disability benefits can be overwhelming, confusing, frustrating, but it does not have to be this way. And so I have created a comprehensive guide that is going to give you all the tools and resources you need to maximize your Social Security and disability benefits and get the full Social Security potential that you deserve. So, what is in this guide? Well, first, it has 6 separate unique guides that cover individual sections of Social Security that most people get confused or get overwhelmed by. I am talking how to apply for retirement benefits, the techniques and strategies that will help you maximize and get the best retirement benefits that you've worked for. We're also talking about Social Security spousal benefits, the timing of it and when to collect it and how much you're eligible for. Talking about survivor benefits. If your spouse is deceased, you're eligible or may be eligible for survival benefits. But how do you know how much you can get and what you're eligible for and when you can claim it and when you can get the maximum benefit when you claim it? And then we also talk about divorce. If you're divorced, can you collect benefits based on of your ex-spouse's record? All those questions and disability benefits. Who is eligible for Social Security benefits? Have you worked enough to get disability? And if you do, what are the eligibility criteria? What are the steps? How does that all work? Well, I've answered all those questions in 6 separate guides, and they are in easy to digest and chunk size that it will allow you to be able to get all the information you need. Now, here's another unique thing about this guide. Number 2 is that in each of them, in each of the 6 guides, I have given you case studies, real world case studies that is going to guide you and show you situations or particular scenarios that people have faced that they are claiming Social Security or are trying to apply for Social Security and have unique situations and how they've been able to navigate that. That will give you insight into your own situation and give you the information you need to make an informed decision about the benefits that you deserve. Number three benefit of downloading this guide is the bonuses. I have included 2 amazing bonuses in there. The first one is the best Social Security cheat sheet you'll find anywhere. Social Security, Medicare cheat sheet, you can't find anything better. And then the second one, which I know a lot of you are going to be excited about, is the Social Security discount guide. Now, we all know that seniors get discounts. You get it from restaurants, retailers, travel, and other related discounts that come, museums. There's so many discounts out there, but the frustration that people have is that you don't have a central place or one place that you can get all the discounts that you as a senior are eligible for. Well, I've done the research, I've done the work, I've put it together all in one guide, and it's included as a bonus as part of this Maximize Your Social Security bundle. So here's the thing. This is not a guide that is just going to show you or teach you about the Social Security system. It's to change your thinking around your retirement planning and give you a proactive strategy on what you can do to get the best benefits that you are eligible for. Or if you're currently claiming benefits, what are the strategies to maximize your benefit? Now, here's my challenge to you. Do not leave your Social Security benefits to chance. You need to take a proactive measure and own this so that when you apply, you have all the tools you need to be able to get the best benefit. So look into the bio of this channel. I have a link there that will take you to the guide. And don't take my word for it. Everybody that has downloaded this guide, I hear the same things. They feel more confident, they feel more secure, and they are most excited about their retirement because they feel like they've been given tools that they can understand. That's the most important part. With real world case studies that allow them to really look at their own scenarios and make an informed decision about what approach they can take. And even if you're meeting with a financial advisor to help you figure everything out, at least you know the Social Security questions that you can take to that financial advisor so that they can help you make an informed decision. You're not going there feeling anxious, feeling worried that you don't understand what's going on, and the Social Security playbook is such a complicated manual that you feel like you're just swimming with the sharks. No, you're going to go to that meeting equipped with everything you need to know and to ask the right questions. So click on the link below, download the Maximize Your Social Security bundle, and your future self, your future retired self, is going to thank you for it.